Okay, I'm so excited. I just got it. I received this in the mail today. I'm so excited. This is from AO Medical. This is Korean. If you are a fan of the Sculplla stem cell mist, which is a facial filling mist, it's part of the Sculplla facial filling mask from Korea. That's pretty much a smash hit. Ooh. It's all based on polylactic acid, which is a manufactured stem cell found in dissolvable sutures. Ooh, it's so pretty. So this is, they were telling me it's a day cream. And I ordered one and we'll have to see. So pretty. All their packaging is very pretty and I have no fingernails, so I can't open this because I'm so excited. Wow. Wowza. Oh, and it comes with a little scoop so we don't put our fingers in it. This is their day cream. It says Promoter Repair Cell Cream. Straight from Korea. What a beautiful, this is like a work of art. Wow. What this has in it is 4 different epidermal growth factors. Polylactic acid, which is the dissolvable suture I was just talking about. And dissolvable sutures are, if you get surgery, internal surgery especially, you want to get sutures that dissolve because they can't cut you back open and take the stitches out. They're usually made of polylactic acid, PLLA, a polylactic acid, and very high grade polylactic acid is actually made in South Korea. The Sculplla line is chock full of this polylactic acid, and how it works is it latches onto the hair inside the follicle and it stays there and it sends out a message, produce collagen, repair this area. Polylactic acid is the same ingredient in the injectable called Sculptra, which you put it in your skin, maybe up under the cheeks. That's sort of a filler. It can't be used on the lips, but when it's pushed in from the outside, it can be used anywhere, which is lovely. When you have Sculptra injected, it's not one of those immediate sort of hyaluronic acid type fillers where you see what you see is what you get. It goes in and then a month later you see the results, like your face grows. So it's a cool injectable, but it can be pricey. That being said, the Koreans are like, let's take this polylactic acid and put it in products that can be pushed in from the outside of the skin. And that's what they've done to a resounding successful effect. So they are products that fill your face. And they have been working on this day cream for quite a while, and I'm excited to try it. Let's see how this goes. I wash my hands. You know when you want to keep this nice and, ooh, how pretty. Nice and clean. So this has, the Koreans are, ooh, my goodness, they are really into their snail mucus extract. That is crazy. So it's got EGF, epidermal growth factors, Natto. So Natto extract is high in vitamin K. And the reason why Japanese women have such beautiful skin is because they eat soy in the form of natto, which is soybeans that are fermented. And it looks disgusting, but they don't have GMO soy like we do here. Their soy is non-GMO and they're eating like real soybeans that have been fermented, and that's really high in vitamin K and great for the skin. So I'm wondering how I'm going to put this on. Supercharge your skin with this luxurious formula containing PLLA, polylactic acid, we were just talking about, 4GF, so epidermal growth factor, snail mucus filtrate, so highly purified snail mucus, which is rich in amino acids and growth factors, and plant collagen, or PGA of plant collagen, so Natto gum. Sculplla H2 Promoter Repair Cell Cream, wow, that's a mouthful, is high-performance multi-benefit cream for all age correction, helps visibly firm and tighten skin, as well as reduces wrinkles, improves skin texture with intense hydration. Okay, all right, let's give it a try. Oh, I don't know how much of this I use. it's really interesting. Oh, I feel like that's a lot. So let me give this a try. I'm glad it comes with this because this little guy, that's helpful. Although you would want to wash this after every use. I'll put that there. Let me see. Oh my. Gosh, it feels, oh my goodness. Oh, it smells, there's really no smell because I loathe fragrance in products. I hate that. Sculplla does a good job of not making anything too stinky. It has a light sort of florally fragrance to it. Oh wow. God, it feels luxe. Goodness. Oh no, another product I'm in love with. So, gosh, it is so freaking hydrating. So if you've worn the Cavi, you know it's hydrating too, but it's more of a serum. This is a really luxe cream. Goodness, I'm in love. Oh my goodness. You know, it has this, it feels creamy, but there's some extra slip and glide there. And it's not an overpowering scent because I just don't like anything with scent on my skin. But it just feels like a massive drink of water. And I'm expecting with all that vitamin K from the Natto extract that it's going to help with redness because that will help flush out stagnated blood. You know, it opens up those capillaries. Very interesting. Oh God, and it's soaking right in. Look at that. That is a beautiful cream. And it's not sticky like the Cavi, which I don't mind about. That is such a gorgeous cream. I'm impressed. I mean, I'm impressed. It's odd, but I really love it. My first impressions are that I would definitely wear this on top of Cavi or alone, and it dries down. It's drying down to where I could wear makeup on top of this. Wow, this is pretty amazing. I'm gonna scoop this stuff off of here and put it under my eyes. Oh, I love it. It just, I don't even know how much this costs, but it'll be part of my repertoire from now on because I just love when something's super hydrating and just soaks right into your skin, and then you can put makeup on top of it. So I did not know what to expect. You know, take the excess if there's any. Well, it's not even coming off of my hands because that just soaks right in. So I'm gonna wash this little guy and put in. Oh wow, it's great on the hands too. You know, I tell you what, they got that texture spot on. It's a really interesting texture in that it absorbs right in. Yeah, wow, I'm the tiniest bit tacky. But as I sit here, I feel it just going into my skin. And look how my skin is plumping. That is an awesome little cream. So I will be selling that. I am going to be trying this for the next week. I'll probably not ever stop trying it. I think I'm going to go put my makeup on and give it a whirl. But gosh, my skin feels really... I'm a cream snob, so I really like it. Okay, things you might want to know before purchasing. It is 1.76 fluid ounces, not tested on animals, 50 grams or 1.76 fluid ounces. Pretty good size. Most of these night creams anymore, they've gotten down to like 1 ounce. But for as much as this has in it, God, that's such a great finish. It's amazing how that, I mean, it's not, yeah, you could put your makeup right over this. It's not tacky. Oh, yeah. You did good, Sculplla. And so I like the fact that this has a 1-2 punch where, you know, it has all the growth factors and all the things that help rejuvenate the skin, but then it implants that polylactic acid. And that is really the magic ingredient that, with continued use, starts to pack into the follicles and sends out that produce collagen message on a regular basis. So Interesting stuff. Wouldn't expect less from Korea, right? I mean, just interesting stuff. So excited. Stay tuned. I'm going to have more on this later.